Alright guys, this is Brent right here. Send me this set. Now the summer's coming. You know, you have to look good. I'm about 190, 5'8". This is extra large. The whole combo. Shorts, long, deep pockets. Has like a little seam. Looks pretty cool. The shirt is very comfortable. It feels great, breathable to go out on a Sunday to go have fun, or on Saturday to go out. It looks casual that you can wear to a party with nice shoes. It's comfortable. The shorts are not too long, they're not too short. It's about knee level. Has a pocket in the back for your wallet. Like I said, deep pockets, strings to tighten it up. But these are very comfortable. Extra large. I wear 36 pants, so they're not tight and they're not loose, so they're not falling. I definitely recommend it. Have different colors. I like this color. Summer's coming, get yours. The brand has great deals, great clothes like this one. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.